YouTube, this is just a collection of my tech set that I will be selling. It'll be $3 if you're in my school, $3. Yeah, the first one is, it's a flip. You can see it says right there, flip. If you can barely read it, flip. It's penny and it looks brand new. Yeah, it's cool. The next one is Churn. Get infected. It has yellow and red wheels. It's brand new too. Yeah, it's cool. Next one, this is my favorite one. Foundation. It's just the moon thing. Yeah, moon. Brand new too. Next, it's a flip that I bought yesterday. Yeah, it's a cool flip. I scratched it all out. Okay. Next one, this one, if you just like it, then don't tell me. It's just a white one. It's a really cool one. I'll put some wheels on if you want to buy it, because I need wheels, but I put it on. It's just custom. It will help you make it better, and yeah, everything's cool. This one it doesn't have grip tape. It has a sticker of tech that, but it doesn't have grip tape. It's an Omar, yeah, with wheels on it. Next ones are my boards with the wheels. Foundation, pink foundation. Kennedy, yeah, it's Baker skateboards. Next one, another foundation, but different colors. And last one is my World Industries. You can see it right here. Yeah, it's cool. So that's the whole collection. As you can see, that's a lot of them. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you this one. Yeah, this one's cool color, blue with red. It's brand new. So this is the collection. Yeah, if you like it, there'll be $3 at school. The board will be $150. So buy please. Thank you.